Bellen. Hey, I want to make new braids. Goed zo. Braaf, hè? Also there. Oh. Braaf. Reina. Sally. Reintje. En Risey. That's Boukje. Hey. Bella with her new braids. Blomke en Yveske. Hey. Sally. Hey. Reina. Goed zo. Goed zo, Risey. Finally, I can train him normal again. The sand isn't frozen. This morning it was, but now it's okay. Hello? Oh. Oh. Oh, rustig. Oh. Hallo? Kom maar. Draf. Oh, maar. Oh, maar. Hallo? Doe maar, stappen. Draf. Oh, rustig. Doe maar. Draf. Braaf, goed zo. Why? Kom. Draf. Ho ho. En ho, stappen. Don't eat the saddle, Peach.
Helemaal vies.
Goed zo. Ah. Ja, precies. Goed zo. Zo. Ja. Denk er nog meer? Goed zo. Braaf, Reintje. Goed zo. Braaf, hè. Zo. Zo.
Goed zo.
Hey.
Braaf.
Oh, ja. Ja, super goed. Braaf, ja. Liefke. Nou, super Piet. Hey. Nou, wat was nog meer dan? Dus ik die idee.
Misschien ik op het zadel zitten.
Zullen we dat proberen?
En dan eerst nog net ridden.
Nee, gewoon stilstaan. Ja, dat wel. Moest er dan ik eerst wat van?
Ja.
Wat dan? Als het kind het heel spannend vindt, net op vierde doen. Heel lang. Oh. Dit is ook een beetje spannend. Echt? Altijd wel doen we achterhoofd doen, oké? Goed zo, braaf. Kijk, dat is super knap, hè? Hey, weet je wat we doen? Nog een keer afstappen en weer opstappen en dan stoppen. Dan heeft zij het heel goed leren. Dan doen we ooit een keer met vierde. Ja? Ja. Goed zo, en dan lopen. Braaf, ja. Hey, dat is super goed vandaag. Heel goed. Ja? Goed. Opletten, hè? Nou jongen, wat knap. En dat zit helemaal door. Heel, heel goed. Super. Goed zo. Ja. Zit het terecht. Hallo? Chippies.
Goed zo.
Reintje. And a lot of mollen and sheep. Deutsch en Belja. En Adeline. Thank you. Reintje is now in the arena. I walked back with her and she was very happy. And then I thought, I want to look at how she's running at this moment. Oh. Okay, she's happy. Oh, maar. Oh. Please. Ruff. Ruff. Okay. Well, I've seen worse, but maybe because she's that happy, she don't show her lameness. But maybe it's going better. Hey. Well, Reintje? No? Well, I'm happy when I'm looking at her like this. I don't want to be too happy, because maybe it's just because she's happy and don't show us that she's in pain. I don't know. Maybe it is getting better. Hello? You can't eat it. Come on. Risey without braids. Hey, you have long hair, just like Friesian horses. Hello? But I make new braids again, and I don't want to cut it yet. Maybe later. Because the brown horses, yeah, I say brown horses because all the others than Friesian horses I call brown horses. But the KWPN'ers have shorter mane, like this, I think. So maybe later we cut it, but not yet. Ta-da! New braids. Goed zo, Risey. This is Yvonne, and behind her is Boukje. Hey, Yvonne. Please don't. Bellen. And that's Boukje and Blomke. And in winter, there was a lot of sand over here and there. And it's one big mess. When there's a lot of sand on the beton, concrete, it's not going to be slippery. So that's why there's a lot of sand. And last night it rained a lot, so it's one big mess. And I thought I'm going to do it like this. But Hallo? Hey! Oh. Hallo? Kom. Jek. Reina en Teije Rein. Kom maar jongen. Hey. Nou, bedankt hè.
Graag gedaan.
Yveske. The second time with Lens Gert. I don't know the translation at this moment, but she's doing great. I think I try to put on the strings later, but yeah. Come. Goed zo, Yveske. Well, this is the first time with the strings. Braaf. Kom. Kom. Braaf. Super. Oh. Stappen. Goed. Hallo? What happened? Okay. I have to help. Well, I'm back with Yveske. She did great. And Maren and Rein, together with Daisy. What did you do?
Deze die een beetje weer.
Aha.
Is.
She's a bit wet. And that's why they have, did this. Perfect.
Ja. Perfect. Hier dat je...
Peach. Heel mooi. Beautiful. Oh no.
Ja, precies. Oh no. Ja, echt oh no. Wat is er nog zaad? Dat moet je niet opmaken.
Belle, Yveske, Boukje and Blomke. And they are crazy. Risey, Reina, Reintje en Sally. Reina, Sally en Silke. And over there it's very scary. Because my dad is making, well, a tent. And it's very scary. Finally, it's sunny again. Hey, Risey! Risey, Sally, Reintje. And I have Reina over here because she is always digging holes. And I don't want that in the arena. Hey! But I bring them in.